గోవా వచ్చినటువంటి ప్రతి యాత్రికుడు తప్పనిసరిగా సందర్శించాల్సినటువంటి ప్రాంతం సౌత్ గోవా పాండా ప్రాంతంలో ఉన్నటువంటి సహకారి స్పైస్ ఫార్మ్. ఇది మడ్గావ్ నుండి సుమారు 19 కిలోమీటర్ల దూరంలో బెల్గాం హైవే రూట్లో ఉంటుందండి. ఈ సహకారి స్పైస్ ఫార్మ్ 60 ఎకరాల విస్తీర్ణం ఉంటుంది. ఇది ఒక ప్రైవేట్ ఫామ్. ఆర్గానిక్గా కొన్ని స్పైస్ను ఈ ఫామ్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇక్కడ యాలకులు, జాజికాయ, జాపత్రి, లవంగాలు, దాల్చిన చెక్క, మిరియాలు, బిర్యానీ మసాలా దినుసులు, వక్కలు, కొన్ని వెర్బల్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ సంబంధించినటువంటి మొక్కలు ఫామ్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఒక దట్టమైన అటవీ ప్రాంతంలో ఆహ్లాదకరమైన వాతావరణంలో ప్రకృతి ప్రేములకు స్వర్గధామంగా ఈ ప్లేసు ఉంటుందండి. ఇక్కడ 500 ఛార్జ్ చేస్తారు ఎంట్రీ ఫీజు అండ్ ఫుడ్ అరేంజ్ చేసినందుకు. వెజ్, నాన్ వెజ్ మనకు మట్టి పాత్రలో వడ్డిస్తారండి, అన్లిమిటెడ్. అదేవిధంగా ఇక్కడ మనకు సాంప్రదాయ పద్ధతిలో మనకు వెల్కమ్ చేస్తారు. పూలు జల్లి వెల్కమ్ డ్రింక్ ఇస్తారు. ఇక్కడ షాప్లో పడినటువంటి మసాలా దినుసుల్ని మనం ఇక్కడ కొనవచ్చు. అదేవిధంగా కొన్ని స్పైసీ ప్లాంట్స్ని కూడా వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ మనకి అమ్ముతారండి. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చేటటువంటి వెల్కమ్ డ్రింక్ చాలా ఔషధ గుణాలు కలిగి ఉందని వారు చెప్తారు. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి ప్లాంట్స్ని మనం చూడవచ్చు. అరుదైన మొక్కలు మనకి ఇక్కడ చూస్తాం. గైడ్ అన్ని మొక్కల గురించి మనకు వివరించడం జరుగుతుంది. మరి తప్పనిసరిగా గోవా వచ్చిన యాత్రికులు ఈ సహకారి స్పైస్ ఫామ్ను సందర్శించవలసిందిగా మనవి.
If you are going to have a little rubber mouth will be burnt. Then what we do? We separate the nut and the fruit. We send this nut to the factory for roasting purpose. After roasting, the outer skin, what it is having, it goes off. The inner side, we are getting the market, the cashew nuts. That is the inner part of it. After roasting, you will get this one. Okay? And the remaining part, we collect in a bulk quantity, the fruit, and extract the juice of this. And keeping in a big barrel for fermentation for 6 to 7 days. After fermentation, we put that juice in this big vessel and put fire here. Okay, when it starts boiling, the vapor goes on this pipe here, and on this pipe we put cold water, and that vapor turns into the liquid and comes into the small vessel that is our cashew feed.
It's going to be condensed here.
Yes, sir. When it starts boiling, the vapor goes and condenses here.
Condense it and converts into liquid.
Yeah, right. Okay, and cashew feed doesn't have any expiry here. As much long you are going to keep, it becomes that much good. 30 years you can keep this one.
Is it alcohol mixed?
Yeah, it is an alcohol.
40%
Cashew feed contains 40% of alcohol.
Are you selling bottles?
Yes, we are selling.
How
it.
much
If you
is
want
that, 1 liter?
We are not selling in a liters here. It is an 375 ml bottle we have here. Okay. It will cost you 300 rupees. Okay, and it is available. Sir?
It is permeable hole here.
Yeah, it is permittable. And how you are going to fly? By the flight you are going.
No, bus.
No, we are through the bus. We are
By road you are going, right?
Yeah.
By road then you don't go to by road. Because by road the checking will be done. By flight you are going to, if you are going to fly then you can carry 3 liters in a
So
flight.
at least 350 ml also not allowed.
Right, sir, right. Okay. Right. The longer trees here. Yes. These all are the trees of the betel nuts. Betel. Vakka you say, right? Vakka. It is also called supari. Okay. So when this tree get 15 years old, it start giving the nuts till 45 years everybody.
How much is it?
20 plus. 20 plus, okay. After 45 years, it stop giving the nuts. Then what we do? We just have to cut this tree and use it for the construction and all. Right now you all come from that pool, right? That pool is made up of like this palm stone. Okay, and if you want to count the age of this tree, no, you all can see the rings here, everyone. You all can see the rings here. This 4 rings means 1 year. 4 rings means you all can see here 1, 2, 3, and the 4. 4 rings means 1 year. Like that we have to count the age of the tree. From the bottom we have to count. And you all had the lunch here, right? Yes. You get the plates to have the lunch, and that plates are also made up of like this palm's leaf only. Okay, so you can see the leaf. This is the leaf, everyone. You all can see the leaf here. Yeah. This is the leaf, okay? And you all know about the beetles, right? We are making small pieces of the beetle and putting in a pan. We are shaving this, right?
నన్ను తీయాలి ఒకసారి మరి ఈసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేటప్పుడు.
It's called lemongrass Okay? And you can make the tea of the lemongrass here. How you are going to make a tea? Put lemongrass, ginger, and the cardamom, and also for the taste, we have to add the jaggery in it. The jaggery, what you say, right? Good. Okay. If you don't have jaggery, then you can use the sugar. Okay. And this tea is very good for the travel sickness and the migraine. When you're going to travel in a car, you are getting dizzy, right? For that, this tea is very good one. And also, we are getting the oil of this. This oil is called lemongrass oil, and you can use this oil as a room freshener. Put it in a bottle water and spray that water in your room. You'll get the smell of this.
Do we have now?
Yeah, we have, sir. Whichever spices and oils I'm explaining here, you can buy from our counter.
Okay. Come.
Done, everyone please come. You all can see the tree here. This is the tree of the cinnamon. Patte, chekke.
Oh, okay.
Dalchini chekke. Yes. Okay. Cinnamon. We are getting the round stick, right? So when this tree gets 10 years old, the cinnamon gets ready. Okay, after 10 years. Then what we do? We just have to cut this tree and keep it for the drying. After drying, the bark of this tree becomes the cinnamon. Only the bark of this tree. Not a inner part, huh? Okay. And if it is very smaller tree, we have to cut this tree. If it is very bigger tree, we have to cut the branches of the bigger tree. Why? If you are going to cut the bigger tree, it doesn't grow again. If you are going to cut the smaller tree, it grows. That's why we have to cut the branches of the bigger tree. Okay, and you can see the leaves upside here.
Okay.
You all heard about the bay leaf, right? Biryani patta? Yes, these are the substitute of bay leaf. Huh? These are not a biryani leaf.
Oh,
These are
Dajan
the-
Chakka Chatti biryani patta.
Yes, actually, dalchini patta is the different one and biryani patta is the different one. Biryani patta is also called tej patta.
And how you
Yes,
are giving that pipe type?
the longer one.
No, this cinnamon only.
When you are going to slit it out, it becomes roundish one. And if you are going to dry, it becomes black one.
Okay, this is cinnamon.
This is the cinnamon tree, sir. Okay. And why we are getting both mixed? In our market, we are getting both mixed. We cannot identify which is the bay leaf and which is the cinnamon leaf. Bay leaf are slightly longer than this. These are the broadish one, right? You all can see here. If you don't have that, you can use this one. Okay? Come ahead, we'll move. Okay, we'll stand here. Come ahead. Please come fast. Come fast, ma'am. Please come fast. Yes, we'll stand here, everyone. We'll stand here. You all can see the nuts upside here. Yes, it looks like a lemon, right? It is not. Yeah, it is not a lemon tree. It is one spice tree. Anyone can guess which spice it is now? No, it is spice.
Star thing.
We are just greeting out, giving to the children what it is. It is also used in the biryanis and all.
Lavanga.
It is having the nuts.
It looks like flower.
It is also having the Jadika. In English, it is called nutmeg. Huh? In English, it is called nutmeg, and this is the only tree which gives you two spices, Jadika and Jadipu. Jayapatri, what is? Yes, it is also called mace. Jayapatri is called mace, and Jaifal is called nutmeg. Both are in this one nut only. You heard about the sapota, right? That much big it becomes, it opens like this here. After opening the nutmeg and the mace, what is that? Falls down itself. Okay, this is the tree of that. Okay, we'll move.
Jajika Japatri.
Okay, cloves are the seasonal fruit. Huh? Right now it is not having any season here. Cloves looks like a flower bud. Before it blooms, we have to harvest it. How we harvest? Put white cotton here, shake this tree, all falls down. It is the easiest way to harvest. The lavangam. Okay, you all turn around here. Turn around. For the insulin, right? Yes. Sugar, yes. We are getting the injection for the diabetes patient, right? That is called insulin, right? Yes. So that injection has having very different process. It is only the plant. This plant is also called insulin plant. So what it does, it gives same medicinal use like an injection. We just have to chew one leaf empty stomach in the morning. It controls your sugar level. Anywhere you can plant this one. It is called insulin plant, and this plant is also called Madhuparni. Okay, if anyone wants to buy this one, you can buy from our counter. Anywhere you can plant this one. If you are going to dig one, it grows like this here. Okay, come fast.
I know this tree.
Okay, come fast.
Okay.
You all can see this tree here. This is the tree of the allspice. You all heard about the allspice here? allspice looks like a black pepper. It looks like a black pepper. It is having the
మిరియాలు
Mirialu is the different one. Mirialu is
హరి మిర్చి
yes. You all heard about the Toko Mirialu? Toko Mirialu, right?
Yes.
This is the tree of that. It is also called allspice. In English, it is called allspice. It is also called fire spice. Why it is called fire spice? Because it looks like a black pepper, but it is having 5 types of aroma in one seed only. 5 types of aroma. Which are they? Cardamom. Yalakai.
యాలక్కాయ ఇలాచి
Ilaichi. Yes. Which one? 2 types of yalakai we are getting.
కౌన్సా ఇలాచి
This one.
ఓహో
These are these. We are getting 2 types of cardamom here. One is the black cardamom, one is the green cardamom, right? These all are the green cardamom here. Okay, green. Totally light. Okay, green cardamom comes into the bottom here. You all can see the bottom here. Here. To this stem. These all are the flowers here. This flower turns into the seed. It comes into the bottom, not upside. It comes into the bottom. And these are the third most expensive spice in the world. Why third most expensive? Because in one plant we are getting only 40 grams in a year. In a year, only 40 grams we are getting from one plant. That's why these are the third most expensive. Okay, come everyone, please.
First one?
Yes, anyone knows the first and the second here?
I don't know.
Everyone knows.
చెప్తుంది తినవాడు అంటే పైకి ఎందుకంటే ఏది రాదు
అన్నీ వస్తాయి.
ओके सो ये हमारा कॉफ़ी है, देख सकते हैं आप इधर। तो कॉफ़ी बहुत तरह का रहता है, बहुत तरह का। वर्ल्ड में बहुत तरह का मिलता है। यहाँ पे हमारे कंडीशन में 2 तरह का मिलता है। एक आता है अराबिका और दूसरा आता है रोबस्टा।
దాన్ని మాకు శ్రీలంక టూర్లో ఇవన్నీ చూపించారు. చూపించి అన్ని మెడిసిన్స్ అమ్ముతారు వీళ్ళు.
And this is the coconut tree, and this tree is having 80 plus age right now. 80 plus. You all can see the rings upside here. This 2 rings means 1 year. Like that we can count the age of this tree, and this tree lasts long till 150 years. After 150 years, it stops giving the nuts. Then what we do? You can see the leaves upside here. From the leaf, we are making brooms and the mat. From the leaf, and from this time we can make the roof of our houses.
yes
And these all are the roots here. Why these roots comes outside? Because when this tree doesn't get water in the ground, to absorb the water, the roots comes outside, and from moisture they absorb the water. Okay, and you all know about the coconut, right?
Yes.
We are getting the oil of this. We can use it in the kitchen, and we are also having the milk. And you can see this climber here, the black
ఓకే పానీ ఆ రా భాయ్
one, the black peppers. These are all of the black pepper upside here. Okay, come. Okay, we'll stand here. I'm going to explain something.
వాట్ ఈస్ దట్
Yeah.
వాట్ ఆర్ వీట్ మీద పోస్తారు
Like I'll let me come, sir.
ఇది లాస్ట్ వన్
ఓకే క్యారీ ఆన్.
Like that.
This is
So, I have explained about the first expensive spice, right? You know which spice it is? Saffron. And third one I have also shown you. And the second one left here, right? Which one is the second here? Second one is the vanilla. Vanilla is the second most expensive. Okay? Yeah. Why it is this much expensive? You all can see the original vanilla bean here. You all can see this is the original ready vanilla bean. Okay? This one bean takes 1 year to get ready. That's why this is the second most expensive spice in the world. Yeah, it is an fruit. They are going to extract the essence of this. Okay? You can't smell it out. You are getting late here. I'm just showing you. Right? So this is our tradition to all of you. Right now here our tour gets ends everyone. Okay, thank you so much for your cooperation here. And this is a tradition to all of you. Doing the tour, you are getting tired here, right? Yes. This is only for the relaxation. In this pot, there is a normal water, and we have 4 drops of lavender oil in it. And when we are going to pour this water on your spine, you will get relaxed. Not on the hands, sir. On the back. Anyone can try this. Be straight. Be straight. Yes.
తడక ఇది
Turn around, sir. Be straight. Be straight.
మగోళ్ళు పోసుకోండి ముందు, మగోళ్ళ వరకు పోసుకోండి. ఈ విడిపోయింది పుట్టాడు పైనుంచి పోతే కింద నుంచి వస్తుంది. పోయింది.
Bend your neck.
Pain.
Relax, sir. Not for the pain, everyone. Only for the relax.
అందరికి పోయాయి.
Come. 4 drops of lavender oil.
మొత్తం జగ్గు వాటర్ ఏమొస్తలేదు